Hi Jahril, how are you?
Fine. And you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. So here I am. I got a project, and my client hired me for audit and optimization of his Google Ad account. So here I want to discuss with you and also some help about keyword optimization. As it is real project, so I cannot share the whole Google Ad account, but I have taken a screenshot. Here is 9 month keyword data. Already I have posted some keywords. Uh, so and also another keywords I have selected. So let's start how we can optimize our keyword
Okay.
research. Sorry, keyword optimization. So here you see I have paused three keywords because its quality score is very low, and also they are not this keyword is not getting any click and impression, and
Uh, and also, it's a low intent keyword.
yes, these are low intent keyword also.
Uh,
And
when when people search this type of keyword, people don't know. Google don't know. They search for what? Okay. This keyword is not meaning. Actually, they what they want.
yes, you are right. And Google actually just not give the quality score uh, by the keywords. And Joel, can you clear me how Google give the quality score for the keywords?
Okay. Quality score depend on when we select a keyword. Google first check is this keyword is available in our ad copy. If it's available, then it's good for ad relevance, and also it's a good quality score for ad relevance. And then Google check also this keyword is available in a landing page is one or is two tag. Is this keyword if this keyword is available, then quality score is also good for landing page.
You are right, and also I think keyword ad and landing page actually should speak with the same language. When just Google identify that your keyword and your landing page and also ad are not giving the same information, and users are not getting the value for which they are clicking in your website, then Google just punish silently by giving low quality score. Am I right, Johil?
Yeah, that's why our conversion rate also high. Okay.
Okay. Then here you see another strategy I should follow here. These keywords are getting clicks but no conversion, and also just dollar is burning.
Yeah, I should also we should also this type of keyword ignore. This keyword just give us click, not conversion, just to give impression. This type of keyword also ignore.
Yeah, here is another keyword I have posed. You see here the quality score is high, and also the ad relevancy high, landing page experience high, but this keyword actually not getting any clicks, and also very
No,
low impression.
when an audience search this keyword, then Google don't know. I mean, they want what? They
Yes,
want
yes. Because this
just
keyword intent actually not expressing clearly what actually user will get.
okay. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Thank you, Jarul, for joining in this discussion. Inshallah, in the next part, how we will optimize another parts of this Google Ad account. We will make another meeting. Thank you very much for joining this meeting.
Thank you. Give me an opportunity. Inshallah, we hope next meeting will be soon.